High-efficiency washers, also called low-water washers, save an average of 20 gallons of water with every load of laundry because they draw fewer resources and operate with less water and energy than traditional washers. Drawing less water also means that less energy is used to heat the water when using a warm or hot water temperature setting. We'll show you how it works. So let's load the washer. Add items evenly in loose heaps around the basket wall. Measure your desired laundry products according to the manufacturer's directions and add them to the correct dispensers. The proper use of the dispensers will ensure the best possible performance of your HE low-water washer. Because low-water washers use less water than traditional washers, a high-efficiency HE detergent that produces less suds is needed for cleaning and rinsing. Look for the HE label on the box or bottle. Using high-efficiency HE detergent avoids problems such as poor cleaning results, detergent residue left on clothing, washer odor due to suds residue, and excess suds which can cause longer cycles, poor draining and removal of water. Less water also means concentrated cleaning. Rather than diluting detergent in a traditional washer, a HE low-water washer delivers the detergent directly to the soil. Close the lid and select your desired wash setting. At the beginning of the cycle, the sensing light will turn on and you will hear the lid lock, unlock, and lock again. This is part of normal operation and sensing. This HE low-water washer works differently to sense load size and fabric type. It first spins the dry load, then adds water, briefly moves the load, then pauses to allow the water time to soak into the load. Depending on the load size, intervals of spins, fills, and pauses will continue until the right amount of water is added. Items will be wet but may not be completely underwater. This is normal for a low-water washer and still provides excellent cleaning while saving water and energy. An HE low-water wash system cleans the load effectively and efficiently through the following actions. Using the movement of clothes against each other to aid cleaning, the unique impeller motion moves items. The load is moved from the outside toward the middle, with items coming up in the center and down on the outside edges. Toward the end of both the wash and rinse cycles, you may notice shorter back and forth motions, or strokes, to ensure the load is evenly distributed prior to drain and spin. HE low-water washers also help reduce the energy needed to dry the load. They spin at higher speeds and longer than traditional washers, removing more water from your clothes and shortening their drying time. They also spin at various speeds for the best possible result. With less water and energy used and higher spin speed, high-efficiency washers are the sensible solution to your laundry needs.